Every great candle begins with optimal combustion, a result of manufacturing consistency, science, and craftsmanship, all coming together here at Wicks Unlimited, the industry leader for your combustion needs. For more than 20 years, Wicks Unlimited has been helping candle makers around the world perfect their candle performance. From our modern, state-of-the-art factory in Florida, we supply waxed wicks on reels, wick clip assemblies, wick sustainers, and adhesives, keeping your candles performing safely and beautifully. Our waxed wick on reels is a favorite among manufacturers. Each high-strength, recyclable reel holds up to 3,000 yards of perfectly waxed wick, saturated through our proprietary process for consistent, reliable flames. With our comprehensive selection of wick sizes, we help manufacturers produce cost-effectively while supplying wicks that perform consistently and burn evenly every time. When it comes to wick clip assemblies, attention to detail is everything. Every wick clip assembly is waxed, crimped, and cut to exact specifications. Our signature non-puncturing crimp design allows the candle's flame to self-extinguish when the wick is exhausted, a small detail that makes a big difference in performance and safety. Our sustainers, trusted by candle brands worldwide and available in a variety of sizes, are manufactured from tin-coated steel for strength and corrosion resistance, even with the most reactive fragrances. We supply specialized hot melt glue designed to secure each wick clip firmly in place, preventing wick migration, especially during the final combustion phase when temperatures are at their highest. Central to the Wicks Unlimited advantage is our technical lab, where our team evaluates and then refines our customers' wick selection to a manageable subset of our extensive wick options. Through wick optimization and combustion analysis, we make sure each product meets the same high standard of excellence our customers depend on. Whether through a representative or our online store, the Wicks Unlimited ordering process from order entry to shipping is simple and streamlined. We deliver when it matters because timing is as critical as performance. We also believe great manufacturing goes hand in hand with responsibility. That's why we're focused on reducing waste, conserving resources, and supporting our community, building a cleaner, more sustainable future for our industry and our planet. At Wicks Unlimited, we empower our customers to craft candles that light homes, inspire moments, and create the perfect ambiance. Wicks Unlimited, lighting the way for the global candle industry.